Let's plot points in the rectangular coordinate system. For example, let's plot these 5 points. To form the rectangular coordinate system, we intersect two number lines, a horizontal one and a vertical one, as follows. This point here, where these two number lines intersect, is called the origin. And the horizontal number line we call the x-axis. And the vertical number line we call the y-axis. Now we use an ordered pair of numbers x, y to represent each point in this plane or the rectangular coordinate system. This first number we call the x-coordinate. And it tells us how far to move right or left from the origin. And the second number here is called the y-coordinate. And this tells us how far to move up or down from where this x-coordinate placed us. So looking at our first point here, 4, 2, we see that the x-coordinate is 4, which means from the origin we go to the right 4 units. And then the y-coordinate is 2, which means from this point we go up 2 units. So this here would be the point 4, 2. All right, what about the second point, 0, -2? We see that the x-coordinate here is 0, which means we don't move to the right or the left from the origin. And then the y-coordinate is -2, which means from the origin we go down 2. That is, this is the point 0, -2. All right, and what about our third point here? We see that the x-coordinate is -6, which means from the origin we go to the left 6 units. And then the y-coordinate is 9, which means from this point we go up 9 units. That is, this is the point -6, 9. All right, what about this fourth point here? The x-coordinate is -7, which means from the origin we go to the left 7. And the y-coordinate is -5, which means from that point we go down 5. That is, this is the point -7, -5. And finally, what about this last point here? The x-coordinate is 7, which means we go to the right from the origin 7 units. And then the y-coordinate is -8, which means from that point we go down 8 units. Namely, this is our last point here, 7, -8. And this is how we plot points in the rectangular coordinate system. And by the way, the rectangular coordinate system is often referred to as a Cartesian coordinate system as well. Thank you. and we'll see you next time.